What's up, everyone? Sergey here. I'm a developer from Toronto, and here's my submission for the base Buildathon that I'm calling Open Source Summer. The idea and the mission is very simple. It is to bring every single developer on-chain. This project is very heavily inspired by Hacktoberfest. For those of you who are unfamiliar, this has been running for the past 10 years. The idea is that during the month of October, you contribute to open source projects. If your PRs get merged, you get a reward at the end. I've participated in 4 of them. It used to be t-shirts. Now they're planting a tree in your name. And I thought this was a perfect opportunity to bring an experience like this on chain. And so if you have an open source project that you would like to be listed on here, all you have to do is add a topic to your GitHub repo. That's OS Summer. And then those projects will show up here. And as a developer, you come in, you create an account, you link your GitHub, and then you can track your PRs here. And as long as there are 4 of them that are merged, you get to mint a special NFT. I've already gone through this process, and you can see the NFT here. And so for attributes, it's 2024, 4 contributions. You can see how this can scale to any amount of contributions, and then the perks and the rewards that you get from it can also be scaled pretty much infinitely. Another aspect of open source community and kind of contributions that I wanted to think about was something that GitHub has, which is GitHub sponsorships, but why limited to fiat? And so as a project owner, you can come in here and add your project. And so if I'm a separate user or some organization that is using your project and I see them listed in these projects here, I can actually, well, this is something that I've done. I can refresh. And I can actually donate directly to the maintainer of these projects. And you can do that either through projects or contributors. And this will be really cool when you can see all the contributors that are contributing however many times they are to open source projects, and you can reward them based on the size of the contributions. There's so much you can do with scanning all of their submissions and using some AI LLM models to process the quality of those submissions and then distribute donations equally. And so right now it's a simple send ETH transaction, but we can have a token or something similar to build.top. But the only difference between build.top, or one of the differences between these two, is this one is nomination based. And so you can see the leaderboard. I think Jesse, I love Jesse. He's the top builder on this platform, but if you look at his GitHub, he only has about 75 contributions for the past year. And so what I wanted to do is give the opportunity to the unsung heroes, who are the devs that are working on these open source projects, for free, give them an opportunity to get some sort of benefit from it. And you can see your balance here. And based on the Coinbase and Stripe announcement that happened recently, this will be a really easy process for you to convert it to USDC or off-ramp it directly to your Coinbase or to fiat. What else can I talk about? If you want to share these projects on social, right now it's only set up for Farcaster, but there is this is using intent. I'm also trying to integrate with the API directly so you can post it on your behalf. But the idea is that anytime you share a contributor or a project, people on Farcaster will also have an opportunity to donate directly to these contributors without leaving the timeline. I'll have a OS Summer channel where all of these contributions will be posted. And yeah, I think this will be a really, really fun project to keep working on. And in terms of perks, I know Base announced the swag shop, and so it would be really cool to have an open source summer t-shirt in the shop. And then if you do own an open source summer NFT, you would be able to claim that t-shirt for free. Anyone else that is looking to partner, I am all ears. Let me know on Twitter or on Farcaster. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.